Srivastav and welcome back to my channel Vaibhav E-Learning Academy. Today we are going to continue our topic perimeter and area. Today we are going to learn about area of circle. This is our part number 7. In the previous video we have learned about the circumference of the circle, that is perimeter of circle. How to find out the perimeter of the circle. That was our previous video topic. Today we are going to learn about area of circle. Before moving on, first we have to understand what is area of a circle. Now, before going to the main definition, let us take an example. Let us take an example of a circular, we can take an example of a circular park. So, the area which surrounds it is called as the circumference or the perimeter, the outer line area that we have already learned. What is the area of the park? The area of the park. The area which encloses inside the circular path is known as the area. That is the part inside the circle. So, for example, this is a circle. So, we have learned in the previous video that this outer surface is known as the circumference or perimeter of the circle. What is the area of the circle? The part which is inside this circle. This area is known as the area of the circle. Now, the actual definition will be the square meters, square centimeter or any square units inside a part of a circle is known as the area of the circle. Any circle with an area of a radius r is equal to pi r square. Thus, the area of the circle is pi r square. So, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. In the previous video, we have learned about the circumference of the circle. Circumference or perimeter of circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. So the perimeter of the circle or circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and the area of the circle is pi r square. Now, in the previous video, we have already learned what is pi, and in this one we are going to learn about the area of the circle with its formula pi r square. In upcoming of this video, we will be taking 2 examples of a word problems, so that we will see how does a word problem, how can we solve any word problems using the area of the circle. Now let us see. Right? Now we have our first question over here. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 7 cm. So we have a circle whose diameter is 7 cm. We have to find out the area of the circle. Let us move on. So we need area of a circle. So area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Now here is the twist. We have only the diameter. We have to find out the radius first of all. Because to find out the area, we need the radius value, not the diameter value. So in the previous video, we have learned that if you know the diameter and you have to find out the radius, then d by 2 is equal to r. And if you know the radius and you want to find the diameter, then r into 2, that is 2r equal to d. And d by 2 is equal to r. So we are going to apply this same formula, d by 2 is equal to r. So we have this is the first point. The second point, diameter is equal to 7 cm. And we have to find out the radius. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. What is the diameter over here? It is 7 divided by 2. And 7 divided by 2. So the radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now we got the radius value as 3.5 centimeter. Now we know the radius value, we know the pi value. Now let us try to solve it. Thus area is equal to 22 by 7. We will be taking 22 by 7 as an assumption of pi value into r square, that is 3.5 into 3.5. Let us see what is it. 3.5 into 3.5. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 5, 2, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 2, 5, and we have here 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place. So thus it is 12.25 centimeter. Centimeter square. This is centimeter and centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So now that is 22 by 7 into 12.25. 12.25. Now we have to divide 22 by 12.25 divide by 7. That is 12.25 divided by 7. 7 ones, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 2, 7 sevens are 49, 50, 51, 52, 3, and the 5, we get here 5. So 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. So we will get 22 into 1.75. So 1.75 into 22. 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15, balance 1, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3. 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15, balance 1, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3. 0, 5, 8, 3. 3, 8. Here there are 2 decimal places. So that is 38.50 or 5, it's enough. 38.5 centimeter square. So thus the radius, we need the area, right? Sorry, area. Thus the area of the circle is 38.5 centimeter square. This was our first question. So find the area of the circle whose diameter is 7 centimeter. We know the diameter, we have to find out the radius, and the formula of area of circle is pi r square. So we know the radius, we found the radius to be 3.5 centimeter, and we need the radius square, that is r square, that is 3.5 into 3.5. We got the value as 12.25. Then 22 by 7 into 12.25. You can directly multiply this both, then divide by 7, or directly divide this by 7 and then multiply 22. So we got the answer 38.5 centimeter square. So this was our first question. Now let us move on to our second question. So we have our second question over here. We have our second question. The circumference of a circle is 440 meter. Find the diameter and area. Here you have to find both diameter and area, and this is just an example problem. You can change the diameter value and try to solve the sum. I hope it is helpful for you. Let us start with the solution. First, the circumference of a circle is 440 meter. In the previous video, we have learned what is circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So what is it? That is 440 centimeter, not centimeter, meter. 440 meter. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 440 centimeter. I mean 440 meter. Now we have to take this 22 into 22 by 7 to the right hand side, or we can take this 440 meter into the left side. So we can take it like, if this 22 by 7 goes that side, it becomes as a reciprocal and it goes. So the denominator becomes the numerator. That is 440 into, if the denominators come up, it becomes numerator, that is 7 by, the numerator comes to down, that is denominator, 2 into 22 is equal to radius. Now, we have to simplify them. So 22 times 1 and 22 times 2. 22 ones, 22 20s, and then 2 ones are 2 10. So then we are left 10 into 7, that is 70 is equal to radius, or radius is equal to 70. So our radius value is equal to 70 meters. Now we have to find out the diameter and the area. Now if we know the radius, we can find both diameter and both area. So we go with diameter first. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is 2r, which is equal to 2 into radius value is 70, which is equal to 140 meter. So the diameter is equal to 140 meter. Now we have to find out the area. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r square, that is 70 into 70. That will be 70 into 70. 0, 0 sevens are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 sevens are 49. So we get 0094, 4900 into 4900. Now we can cancel them out. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49, balance 2 zeros. So that is 22 into 700, which will be equal to 700 into 22. 0, 0, 2 sevens are 14, 2 zeros are 0, 2 0, 0, 2 fours are 14. We get 0, 0, 4, 5, 1, 15400. That is 15400 meter square. So our final answer, that is thus the diameter is equal to 140 meter and the area is equal to 15400 meter square. This was our second problem. Here, the circumference of a circle is 440 meter. Find the diameter and area. We have to find both diameter and area. So 2 pi r. We learned that the circumference is equal to 2 pi r, the formula. Circumference is equal to 440. 2 pi r is equal to 440. So we did all the simplification. Then the reciprocal happens. Denominator goes to the numerator and numerator becomes the denominator. We did all those calculations and found the radius value to be 70 meter. And then if we know the radius, we found the diameter. We know the radius, we found the area of the circle. So this was our today's video about the area of circle. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned something from this video. If you learned something and if you enjoyed from this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel for more updated notifications, press the bell icon. See you in the next video. See you next time. Thank you and goodbye.